What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your windshield wipers on a Ford Edge from about the 2015 to about the 2022. First of all, you want to get your windshield wipers where they're up on your window, where they're not down like by your hood. And once you do that, you'll see these little rivet parts right here. There'll be one on each side. You just want to squeeze like that. Both of it lift up like that, and then just kind of curl it off just like that. I'll squeeze right here and just lift it off. This little hook right here you'll see is where this piece right here is going inside of it. This is what I was squeezing. So then when you're ready to put on your new ones, you just want to take this little hole up here first, put it over top of that little hook like that, down in there, then kind of set it down. And once you get it like that, you just want to press it in your here like a snap, like that pretty much, and you're good. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change your windshield wipers on a Ford Edge from about the 2015 to about the 2022. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.